Ang desertification ay tumutukoy sa pagkatuyo ng mga lupa at taniman ng mga magsasaka na nawawala ng nutrisyon at nauuwi sa tuluyang pagkatuyo ng mga lupa.
Yan, sakit ng ulo ko.
Ako rin.
Ano yan? Manok? Manok yan, manok. Galing ang manok dyan, no? Sa itlog, no?
Do you know how China is dealing with land desertification? People shovel sand into long tube-shaped bags. Then, they arrange these bags in neat grids on the desert. These sandbags serve as barriers, effectively reducing wind erosion and preventing the sand from shifting. As time passes, this creates a more stable environment. Subsequently, people plant drought-resistant trees and grasses within these grids. After watering them adequately and taking care of them for a certain period, these plants will sprout and grow. This seemingly simple method has proven to be highly effective in combating desertification. By filling the bags with sand and forming grids,
Yan, sakit ng ulo ko.
Ako rin.